How to lock on face in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can lock on face in Capcut. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Now tap on new project and select the video. Once you are on this page, now click on the video and search for the camera tracking option at the bottom of the toolbar. Once you found it, click on it. Again, here are two options you can see at the bottom of the screen. Click on camera tracking. Now finally, here you can see four different options. You can select the tracking subject like face, body or the hands. In order to lock the face, click on this face button and tap on track option. Wait for some second and here you go. Now as you can see, the frames are following the face. That's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.